Welcome to Free Bird online store. Today we invited our loyal customers Miss Pei to share her personal experience with our latest ballet flats. Hello, Miss Pei.
Hello everyone, how are you today? Glad to be here to share my personal experience of these ballet flats. Do you see the vamp on the upper? That's what I appreciate the most of these shoes. They make my feet look narrow. Also, the color of the insole matches the color of the upper, giving it a sophisticated touch. And the rubber also makes a wonderful walking experience. My feet never get tired or sore. There are 7 colors for your choice. They
Black, white, ivory, red, brown, yellow, pink, and turquoise. We hope with our ballet flat, you will feel free as a bird.